In today's video, the tools you're going to need is a plier to pull out the nail on your tire, eye protection, and the tire plug kit. And don't forget something sharp to cut off the extra plug materials on the tire when it's plugged in. If you had damage or nail on the side of the wall, I don't recommend patching it up, only if it's on the thread like this. And as you can see, I have a nail right here and a nail right here. First thing you need to do is inflate your tires. Mine is 30 psi. Look right here. You see a 1, 2, and 3. 3 means 30 psi. Remember to wear your safety glasses. I'm going to take off this nail right here. Let's take our first two and punch it through. Take your plug material and your second tube, thread through the eye. Next, I'm going to glaze it. I'm going to rubber cement. Next, just punch straight through the hole. And with a fast motion, move it straight out. And cut off the extra plug material. And to verify if you have nice plug, just take some soapy water, put it on it. If no bubble is forming, then the plug is done correctly. And last, just re-inflate your tires and you're done for the day. Click that like button if you found this video useful and subscribe for future update. And again, thanks for watching.